Well, first off, one of the most important things is to not make any statements until you've had an opportunity to consult with your attorney. And actually, don't make any statements, period. Allow your attorney to be the go-between between yourself, the collective, and law enforcement. It never really helps making any type of statements. Law enforcement will represent to you that they're there to help you, and that if you cooperate, that possibly you won't even get arrested. They're trained to do this. They're trained to get information from you. Any statements you say, they will try to put a spin on it that will help with the prosecution of the case. So one of the most important things is do not make any statements. Even if you feel that what you're doing is 100% legal, don't make any statements to law enforcement if you're the subject of an investigation or an arrest. I also advise not cooperating with law enforcement if they want to view your collective or view the operations of your collective. This is something that without any court orders, they're not entitled to do. And they're going to be using that evidence and that information obtained to build a case against you. And so I would strongly advise against volunteering any information regarding the operation of your lawful collective or cooperative to law enforcement. They should have a warrant. They should have some type of authority by the city, the county, or by law enforcement to actually come in. If there is a situation where you do want to open up your collective or cooperative to law enforcement or investigators, I would strongly recommend using an attorney, again, to assist with that. This is a situation where if you don't have proper legal representation, a lot of bad things can happen. Yeah, if you are arrested, again, don't make any statements to any of the arresting law enforcement officers. Don't talk with people in your jail cell. In jail, any of these people can be subpoenaed and can be forced to testify against you regarding any statements that you made. If you are arrested, the first thing you should do, obviously, is contact an attorney immediately and discuss your options. And you should be working with an attorney prior to opening a collective or cooperative or during your operation of the collective or cooperative. There are several legal issues that can come up in the operation of a collective or cooperative that need an attorney that you would be best advised to have an attorney assisting with these legal issues so that hopefully you aren't arrested in the future and you don't have to face these criminal issues. I'm more than happy to sit down with anyone that has any legal, any business questions, any zoning questions, pretty much anything related to the lawful operation of a collective or cooperative, or any legal issues relating to medical marijuana, or any other legal issues as well. I started off my career as a district attorney. As a DA, I handled cases from gang cases to burglaries to robberies to kidnappings. And I still handle some of these cases on a criminal defense standpoint, although the primary focus of my practice is medical marijuana. Contact me at my office line, 619-262-2500. Feel free to call anytime. I don't mind answering phone calls late in the evening or on weekends. I'm happy to assist in any way that I can. And I know sometimes these questions need an answer immediately, and I will be there to answer those questions.